Very less participants up till now. I'm audible to everyone. Very less participants are there today. Let's wait for 2 more minutes, then we'll start. So are you people studying? No, but now no raise of hands and no nodding of head, nothing on this answer. Only smiling. Kirendra, I'm not teaching to fan. Now it's fine. There are 6 sections of class 7th. In one, almost 50 is the strength, and still there are not even 90 participants. 5, 6 are 30, I think. Almost 300 of you are there in class 7. And the number of participants is not even 100. This shows that how much focused rest of the students are. Asha Srivastava, please make your background normal. It seems that I'm seeing any horror scene over there. The background is so disturbing. Gaurav, can you sit straight and have the class? And still so many cameras are off. People are having such a new good faces, then 2 cameras are off. Why? Sorry. So today we have to start with the revision. Yes, as the syllabus is over from my side. So as I have told you, we will start with the very first chapter of the revision. Now, as this chapter was taught by 2 teachers, so any kind of query from your side, any kind of query from your side, you are nodding head. Now almost the strength of you people is 118, because out of 119 I am there. So out of 100 people, no query. How is it possible? Yes, Apurva.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, I want to ask that in the starting of the chapter, first chapter, so sir was teaching us, so he said that it was in the examination, along with the copies and the books, all the questions will be coming in the exam. So he said that that if it is given a word that RAM, then write its full form. So these such kind of questions will be also coming.
Yes, you have seen your syllabus.
Yes, ma'am. It was there that some extra questions in that way.
You have seen your syllabus. In that the question paper pattern is given.
Yes, ma'am.
So in that pattern, I think this is also there, that full forms and shortcut keys, or application based questions, these things will be there.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
It will be there.
Okay, ma'am.
Natik, where he has gone? He raised the hand. Yes, Surbi.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask that what is the full form of BIOS?
BIOS, basic input output system. Basic input output system.
Thank you, ma'am.
And the full forms of those things will be asked, which is given there in your book. Nothing will be there outside the book. Understood? Yes, Janvi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, in a PDF, chapter number 6, name is more on spreadsheet, and miss, you have given spreadsheet and introduction.
Pardon?
Miss, in a PDF,
Yeah, chapter number 6.
yes, ma'am, you have written wrong name of the chapter.
Wrong name of the chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
More on a spreadsheet.
Yes, ma'am, the chapter name is more on spreadsheet, and you have written in PDF, spreadsheet and introduction.
Sorry, by mistake it happened. You understood that it is of chapter 6, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody have understood, no, that it is of chapter 6. Because I have taken the same format from that particular file, so that mistake happened. Sorry for that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Varuna. I cannot hear you properly, Varuna.
Hello,
Now you speak.
Miss, in page number 10, Miss, it is written there, written post picture explanation.
Pardon? Page number?
Miss, page number 10.
Page number 10. Yes.
Miss, it is written post picture explanation. Miss,
Post pictures and the explanation of that chart. Yes.
yes, ma'am. In Miss, in that fourth point where it is written PS/2 port. Miss, what is the work of that?
PS2 is the work of that port was used to connect your keyboard and mouse to the system earlier, but now this port is not in use. These kind of ports are not being used because here this socket has been given, and you can see on the top one was specifically for the keyboard and one was specifically for the mouse. Yes, so as your chargers are there, no? Yes, charger is there. As you place it there in your mobile phone, similarly those were attached to the CPU from this one. But what was happening, because this port was so delicate that if one point was bit tilted or turned off, or any kind of damage was done easily to these, and the thing was not working properly. That is why this port was replaced by the USB now. Clear? Yes, Anand.
Ma'am, what is the full form of EEPROM?
It is given over there. And if the full form is not given, don't work on it. Okay? EEPROM. Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
you just don't work on that because it is out of your syllabus. Only you should know that what are the types of ROM. Yes, Natik.
Yes, good morning, Miss.
Good morning.
Miss, I have to ask that, Miss, you told that you will try custom list in an Android
No,
phone.
beta, that is very difficult to do there on the Android phone. I've tried, but as easily you will do it on the laptop or desktop. It is very difficult to do it over there.
Okay, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
Yes, Shagun.
Miss, what is meaning of financial task?
Financial task.
Yes, ma'am.
Whenever you deal with any of the things which is related to money. Okay, just suppose you are calculating some amount. You are using calculator at that time. Yes, so you are doing a financial task. Like in banks, so many things are being done. Yes, so that is a financial task which is done in bank. Sorry, I am having bit of cold. Yes, Gaurav.
Good morning, Miss.
Very good morning.
Miss, what is SMPS?
SMPS is a switched mode power supply which provides a continuous, flawless, balanced supply to the CPU. Means whenever a current, because everything, all the electronic devices work on electricity, right?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, some power is required. So when your computer is connected to the electric circuit, when electricity is provided to your system, at that moment, it is not directly given to the CPU, it is provided to the SMPS first. So that many times you have heard that the voltage is fluctuating. The normal voltage which comes
Yes, Miss.
our houses is 240 volts. But many times it decreases 220 to 240 it is. So many times it decreases. If the voltage decreases at that time also your device will not work properly, or if it will increase that 240 then it will not work properly. So what this work of SMPS is maintain that means fluctuation of current, and it supplies a balanced current to your device.
And Miss, what is heat sink?
Heat sink is basically a fan kind of thing over there, because whenever the processor works and the work is going on, machinery is working, so a heat is generated. So when the heat is generated, so this heat sink works as a cooling fan at that time.
Okay, Miss.
Yes, Divyansh.
Ma'am, you will give extra questions also to
No.
write in the copy.
Well, so first semester nothing is there. If anything will be there, I will inform you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Janvi.
Miss, on page number 75, exercise, Miss, that we have to do in book or
Wait a
copy.
minute. 75. Yes.
Miss, exercise E.
Exercise D. Yes, that D you have to do in the book itself.
Miss, and E.
E also in book.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Arshita.
Morning, ma'am. Can
Morning.
you please explain PCI?
PCI.
Yes, ma'am.
PCI is on page number
7.
PCI. PCI is basically a peripheral component interconnect. Means whenever we connect any kind of device to our CPU, which is peripheral devices, very first thing is important to understand what is peripheral. Peripheral are those devices, extra devices which are attached to our system without which we can work. Just suppose if I have to type something on my computer, I don't need a camera at that time. Yes, I don't need a printer at that time. These all are the peripheral devices, extra devices which we are attaching to our system. So whenever these devices are being attached to your system, so some place should be there where it should be connected, and from it is giving you the input or output, whatever the signal it is coming, and then from there it should go to the CPU. कोई एक जगह होनी चाहिए.
But printer, if we are connecting, so by switching on the Wi-Fi of mobile, we can connect the printer, no?
So Wi-Fi from the mobile, but for Wi-Fi there is a place, no?
Yes.
Wi-Fi is also an area, either in the form of a hardware or in the form of software. Yes. So एक उसके लिए एक defined area है. Whenever it will give you a signal, when you are giving a signal, a place is there, a point is there where both the things are interacting. Okay, through which it is been connected. It is not required that always it is connected with the wire. Okay, so Wi-Fi is a software which you are using, and for Wi-Fi definitely some circuits will be there inside your mobile phone. Yes, some circuit will be there, kuch na kuch to hoga. Yes, so that it is being connected to that point, you can say it as PCM. Because here we are talking about not about the smartphones, we are talking about the computers. So in computers, that is being there in the form of, you are generally doing it with the help of wire, or now it is coming wireless now. But basically the basic concept was done with the help of wires only. You can see the PCI card. There are certain ports over there in the figure, you can see. Yes, through that the thing was attached, and from there it goes to the rest of the signal was transferred forward. Getting? So that card is known as the PCI card. Now as the technology is advancing day by day, the things are reducing in size. So now the thing is there in your mobile also. In laptops also now the Wi-Fi without wire you can do. But this concept is basically for the wire ones. Understood? Yes, Varnika?
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Ma'am, what is the full form of UNIX?
UNIX. Where is that term?
Ma'am, on the 6th page number.
Basically, the UNIX means Unix. Unix is a operating system. And if it again, I'm saying that if the full form is not given there in your book, you don't worry about that. Unix and Linux, these both are the operating system. And the working environment is completely different than Windows. उसका काम करने का तरीका पूरी तरह से different है. Which you use, the Windows you people are using, it is completely different. It is an operating system. Yes, Ridhima?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, the practicals which you have told, this will work in Microsoft 2007, Microsoft Word, Excel.
Yes.
And ma'am, can you please explain me SMPS?
SMPS, as I have told you earlier, somebody else have also asked, SMPS is basically that device which maintains the current. Just suppose a box is there. This is SMPS. And this is the input coming. And this is very much disturbed. When the input is coming, this is very much disturbed. But when the output is given, it is flawless. This is input. And this is out. Means this current, this is current. From 220 to 240. This should be there. But this is the normal range. This one is the normal range. But many times it fluctuates. It goes down also and it goes up also. Yes. So to maintain that disturbance, this box is there in between, which maintains it in a simple way, so that it always gives the output this. Understood? Same thing you people have seen in ACs. You people have seen a stabilizer over there. Stabilizer is there. With many fridge you people see, with ACs you see stabilizer. So it is, you can say it is a stabilizer. It stabilizes the current which is coming inside. Anantraj, please stop doing the creativity. It disturbs. Yes, Anand, ask a question.
Miss, what is GPU, graphic processing system?
Pardon?
Miss, what is GPU, graphic processing system?
Graphic.
Miss, page number
Page number
9. Heat sink. Last one.
Heat sinks. GPU. Graphic processing system means where the graphics are being processed. Means whenever heat sink is, as I have told you earlier, heat sink is a device which keeps your computer cool. Because whenever you people have seen you are using your mobile phones for such a long time, it becomes bit hot. Yes, similarly when you see TV, when parents would be saying, इतनी देर से टीवी देख रहा है, टीवी गर्म हो जाएगा, जल जाएगा. Maybe these kind of statements you people have heard. Why? Because when these things, graphic is there, because some current is coming to your system, and a work is being done with the help of that. So definitely when in physics you people have studied that when the work is done, definitely a heat energy is produced. Yes. So here the heat energy is being produced. Yes. जब तुम काम करने लगते हो, when you people are working, running, you start feeling warm. Yes, similarly here also computer is working, so a heat energy is released, and to suppress that the heat sink is used. And now what kind of work is being done? Like your system is having so many different things, and GPU is graphic processing system, like your what to say, projectors and all. Yes, your screen, your monitors, all come under GPUs. Clear? Yes, Varuna.
Miss, what is the meaning of
What is the meaning of
impact?
Huh? Varuna, some network issue is there. I will come back to you after that.
Miss,
Right now, you mute yourself from your side. I will give you a chance afterwards. Yes, Akshat.
Miss, what are modems?
Modems are those devices where the concept changes. Modems are those devices that converts your signal, as your system is basically working on digits. Now, the 6 mein padha hai that computer understands only 0 and 1. Yes. So whatever the things computer gives is in a form of digit. That is why we call it as a digital device. So whenever a computer, this is computer, it gives the signal out, it will be in form of digital. Digital signal will be given out. Fine. Now these digital signals cannot go through wires. First reason. Second reason, if it will go through wires, if it can go through wires, so the chance is there that many persons, the hackers, can change the code, whatever is going out. So what has been done? A device is there which is known as modulator and demodulator. So here when the digital signal is going out, so it modulates it into analog signal. Analog signals can go through wire also, and it can go without wire, means wireless form also it can go. Getting? And when it goes to another system, just suppose it is going, now it is another system here. This is computer 1 and this is computer 2. Now again here when it comes back, so it is in form of analog signal. Now here again, same device will be there. Now here demodulator and modulator. Now this analog signal which was coming here is converted again back to digital. Reason? Because computer understands only digital level. Okay?
And Miss, one more doubt is there.
Now, wait a minute. Now you can see that when the signal is going out, at that time modulator is converting into analog. And when it is coming back, the demodulator makes it back to digital. Getting? So the combination, ऐसा तो नहीं है कि only computer 1 will give the signals to computer 2. Definitely computer 2 will require to send the signal to computer 1. So at that time, modulator will work. Whenever signals are going out, at that time modulator is working, and when the signals are coming in, at that time demodulator is working. So the combination of these two MO of modulator and DEM of demodulator is known as modem.
And Miss, one more doubt is there. Miss, in iOS system, Microsoft Excel can run or not?
Pardon?
Miss, in iOS system, Microsoft Excel can run or not?
See, on iOS, there are certain different kind of softwares provided. Microsoft is for Windows. Clear? Definitely, they are also similar to these systems, these applications. There are other applications which work in the same way. Clear? Yes, Varuna. Now try your question. Ask a question.
Hello. Ma'am, I was asking Miss, what is the meaning of
Meaning of
impact?
impact printer.
Yes, ma'am.
Impact printer means when a contact of printer is there with a page. Impact मतलब उसका असर होना. So whenever a contact is there on the page, then that particular printers are known as impact printers. And when the contact is not there, then it is known as non-impact printers. Like in impact printers, there are drum wheels. Yes. So that was striking on the paper. Touch ho raha tha. Yes.
Yes,
The part, any part of the printer was touching the paper. But in inkjet and all, which are non-impact printers or laser printers, only a beam of ink or a laser light is being thrown. It is not touching it. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, I not understood light pen.
But light pen. Light pen, a kind of light is there in that. And when you write it on the screen, on the touch screen, it is being displayed. Or many times what happen, a light pen is there, that is there, and when you are writing, it is showing there on the screen. Get it? Those are the light pen. The simplest example, actually that is not actual light pen, but you can understand it by the styler which we were using on the smart boards. Yes? Understood? Yes, Surabhi?
Ma'am, I wanted to ask that now only you have tell that the data which is going from the laptop or computer, it is converting into analog by the modem. So ma'am, when Wi-Fi and data, the internet is going and coming, then also the modem converts it in analog.
Yes, that time the modem is there inside your computer. That is the internal modem. Without converting, the signals cannot go out or in. Either we are using Bluetooth, either we are using Wi-Fi through it, whatever we are using, share it and all, whatever kind of apps we are using nowadays. Here, everywhere, we are converting it into analog signals.
And ma'am, someone else is also unmuted.
Okay, let me see. I thought that person has muted himself now. Okay, yes. Mohammad Amar.
Good, ma'am.
Your
Ma'am, I
voice is
can't understand HDMI.
HDMI. HDMI.
Ma'am, I can't understand.
HDMI, I think you are asking for. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
HDMI is basically a cable or a port which gives you the benefit or which gives you the facility through which you can connect your monitor to the device through that, so that a video signal and audio signal can be transferred. And why it is used? So that HDMI, because it gives you the higher speed and the quality of audio and video is both very nice. Gitika, I think you can fight afterwards.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mohammad Aman, now you can just mute yourself from your side. Yes, Vaishnavi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, what is motherboard?
Motherboard, as the name suggests, mother. Yes. So motherboard is basically that area where all the circuits and all the parts of the main parts of the CPU is being inserted. Basically, we were saying that CPU and all. That CPU is basically that particular box. Up till now, we were knowing that. But basically, that motherboard is working as a CPU, because there itself your processor is being installed, there itself your circuits are there itself your ROM and RAM are there. So that is why it is the main platform on which rest of all the circuits of your system is there. Getting inside that box, up till now, which you were knowing that it is a CPU, basically there are so many different things, like your SMPS is also there, heat sink is also there, your hard drive is also there, everything is there inside that particular box. But that motherboard is basically the main circuit part which deals and which works, which makes your computer work. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. And Miss, what are, ma'am, I have one more doubt. Miss, what are ports?
Ports are
Miss,
those.
what are ports?
Ports are those sockets, those areas, those points through which you can connect your CPU to other devices or other devices to your CPU. If you have to get any kind of electricity to your devices, what do? Phone charge karna hai, kya karte hain? We go to the port, electric switchboard पे जाते हैं, वहां से उसको connect करते हैं. Yes, but the port which is there on the that electric circuit or the switchboard is not same as it is there in your phone. Phone का port और वहाँ का port अलग है, वो point अलग है जहाँ से connect हो रहा है. Similarly, there are different kind of ports there in your system, which we have studied there in that table. Understood? The use of different ports are different.
Thank you. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, Harshita.
Ma'am, I have a question that the HDMI in TV that contains all the channels. So in the
Basically,
TV,
it does not
some TV
basically-
there are 2 HDMI, like in my TV.
Listen,
So-
I am also having in my TV 2 HDMIs. Reason is that it is not basically having all the channels. When that set-top box is being connected to your computer screen or TV screen or whatever, so it is being connected to that only, so that whatever connections or whatever channels are coming, yes, it is also analog signals are coming and your set-top box is converting into digital form, because nowadays all the screens, all the televisions are smart. They are also understanding the digital signals, so they are getting it. And why it is using HDMI? So that whatever the signal you are getting, either in a form of audio or in a form of a video, that should be very clear on the screen.
So HDMI1 and HDMI 2. So once a very quick lightning was there and my TV was on, so HDMI vanished. Means if we are seeing in HDMI1, it will not show any kind of thing.
Because when the lightning was there, that port, as it was connected to your set-top box, it got the signal. That electric shock came, because now that fluctuation was so much high, and as the stabilizers are not there with the system, the televisions we don't place nowadays, so just because of that variation of light frequency, that what I was saying, that current fluctuation of current was there. So according to that, what happened, that HDMI1 has been damaged. That is why with that particular port you cannot see. The same thing you can use with the HDMI2 now. I don't think
Yes,
the same
ma'am.
you're using.
Yes, ma'am, it is working HDMI 2 only.
Ah.
And ma'am, this before which TVs were there like a box, so they get heat. They are heated very quickly. Why?
Because in that the system was different. It was using the cathode ray tube, CRT monitors. As you people have studied CRT monitors, they were CRT. So CRT means C for cathode, R for ray, and T for tube. Cathode ray tube system was there, and in that, from one point, the cathode rays were transmitted, was thrown on the screen, and whenever you know that whenever the things are striking in physics, you people have studied, when it is starting and friction will be there, definitely a heat energy will be produced. That is why it was heating too much.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, Gitika.
Miss, what is the difference between unregulated power supply and regulated power supply?
That only again and again I am telling. SMPS. Unregulated means too much variations will be there, too much fluctuation will be there. It is not regular. And regulated means, as I have shown you earlier in the image also on the board, that it is in a regular form, in a systematic, in a balanced form. Yes, Anubhav.
Yes, what is the difference between Android and iOS device?
Somebody else is also on mute, I think.
Miss,
Yes, Anubhav.
Miss, what is the difference between Android and iOS devices?
Android and iOS devices, the difference is of operating system.
Miss, iOS, it is good operating system.
All operating systems are good, depends on your working.
Miss, why it is different than on of Android?
Android, because that is bit costlier, and iOS is bit costly because the safety measures which are there, that is bit more tight. The security is more tight over there. Getting?
Okay, Miss.
Yes, Gauri.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vitra.
Ma'am, what is Ethernet port?
Internet ports.
Miss Ethernet.
Ethernet. Ethernet ports is basically those ports with the help of which you connect your system to a LAN. LAN means a local area network. Understood? As with the help of telephone. Many times you people have seen in a room, so many systems are connected to each other. Yes. So for that we use Ethernet port. And this kind of port you can see there in your laptop also, which is there given there in your book. The image is given. So that with the help of that you can connect it to your telephone lines. If in case you have seen the landline poles, so same kind of port is there in the landline ports also, so that you can connect your telephone device to the telephone line. Clear? Similarly, you can connect your this laptop or desktop also to the telephone line. Yes, Mahika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, can you please explain impact printers and non-impact printers?
Impact printers and non-impact printers, very easy to understand, because impact and non-impact. Impact means a contact should be there between a paper and the printer. Are you getting me? Yes, and non-impact printer, there should be no contact. Now the examples which are being given in your book for impact and the non-impact printers, like for in daisy wheel printer and dot matrix printer. Daisy wheel, you can see there in the image also that there are kind of black color wheel, you can see rod kind of thing in between. So that was the thing on which whenever it was getting a signal that whatever alphabet I have to press, like just suppose A have to be printed. So it was kind of a stamp. You have seen in stamps the thing alphabets are being embossed. So it is been touched. When you place it in the ink and you touch it on this paper, that particular alphabet has been printed. Yes, similarly, the same concept was there in the daisy wheel. The wheel was having so many symbols, so many alphabets and numbers and all. So whatever the signal it was getting, according to that particular area, that particular symbol was touching the paper, and that particular thing was embossed there on the paper. वो लिख जाता था paper पे. But in non-impact, there is no kind of contact with the page, like inkjet, laser printer. Now in inkjet, a very small kind of inkjet, ink, as you people are using pichkari and all, right? Syringe and all. So if you are throwing anything liquid from out, so it is not touching, but it is going in such a force that it can, that thing is, that liquid is touching the body, but syringe and that or your pichkari is not touching that person's body, right? Similarly here also, just suppose a beam of light is been thrown in laser printer, so that beam is touching the page and writing the alphabets or symbols or whatever thing on the paper, but it is not having the direct contact with the printer. That is why these are known as the non-impact printers. Clear? Yes, Anant?
Miss, what is firewire?
Pardon?
Miss, what is firewire?
Firewire. On which page number you are asking for?
Miss 10.
On page number 10. Can you tell me the paragraph? Okay, fine. Firewire.
Miss,
Firewire. Got it. It is used to transfer huge amount of data. It is, these kind of ports were used to transfer huge amount of data, because here these ports were able to through wires it was being transferred, and it maximum up till 800 Mbps. Nowadays to this speed is also very less, but 800 Mbps was the amount of the data which can be transferred at a time. Okay? That is why this name was given to it, firewire. Understood?
and what is VGA?
VGA, video graphic array. Earlier or nowadays also you can see that when you are using your projector and all to connect your screen to the projector, these kind of symbols you can see. Or in old desktops also you can see when the monitor is being connected to the CPU, at that time these kind of ports were used.
And what is, ma'am, parallel port?
Pardon?
Miss, parallel port.
Parallel ports are those ports when through this many signals can go all together. When you need a high speed of transfer, then these were used. In serial ports, one data can be transferred at a time, but in parallel, as the name is parallel, so many things can go together. Clear? Yes, Manya? I cannot hear you. Not audible. Now his voice is coming.
Ma'am, can you please explain?
Louder.
Ma'am, can you explain me HDMI?
HDMI, as the name suggests, it is high definition multimedia interface. Sorry. So through these wires, whenever the data is being transmitted, so either the video or audio is being transmitted or transferred through these wires, and as the quality of audio and your video will be very high, because as it is showing, telling in the name itself that high definition. Clear? So it gives you that facility to transfer the things more efficiently. Getting? Right now, many people are not getting your voice, or the picture is cracking, or the voice is cracking. We say that network issue is there. Yes. Similarly, if a line is being connected, a wire is being connected, and the data is being transferred, and the whole data is don't reaches to another end altogether. So definitely that signal will many times people see there in your televisions also, when it starts raining and all, your picture is not coming clear. Yes. Reason? Because all the data which have to be have to reach at a time to your system, it is not reaching together. That is why it is not clear.
Ma'am, in HDMI only video, either video or audio is there.
Both the things. Both of these. Yes, Srishti? Srishti, ask your question.
Hello, miss.
Yes.
Ma'am, could you explain me the Ethernet port?
Ethernet port is used to connect your device to the telephone lines. कभी पुराना लैंडलाइन फोन देखा है? Have you seen? Okay, so how it was connected? That wire, have you seen? एक तो डिवाइस होता है टेलीफोन का, लेकिन वो वायर जो उससे कनेक्ट होती है, कभी देखा वो कैसे कनेक्ट होता है? A square kind of box is there in the end of the wire. That port is known as the Ethernet port. Clear?
Thank you, ma'am.
Similarly, when you need to connect any telephone line for your internet connection to your system, either it could be a desktop, either could be a laptop, so you can use the same port over there. But nowadays that is not required because we are using the Wi-Fi connections and modems and all, so that is not in use now. Many people, those who have already asked the question, they are asking again and again. Why all the queries you are not asking together? Yes, Shubh Agarwal.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes.
Miss, can you please explain me optomechanical mouse?
Optomechanical mouse is, as opto means light, mechanical means scrolling. Mechanical you are clear with, opto you are clear with.
Yes, ma'am.
Now in optomechanical, what happens? Both the mechanisms are being used together. Then that one is used known as optomechanical. Clear?
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aditya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning.
Ma'am, you can explain me how a stabilizer works?
Stabilizer works exactly the same way as I have told you right now for SMPS.
Okay, ma'am.
SMPS में क्या होता है? Disturbed line आती है, ठीक है? It's not
Yes,
compulsory that always it will be disturbed, but chances of disturbance is there. That is why we place a SMPS in between so that whatever will be the current, either it is normal, it's good. If it is not normal, then it will make it normal. That is the work of a stabilizer.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Aditya Dubey.
Miss, what is the TF card?
Pardon?
Miss, what is the TF card?
TF?
Yes, ma'am.
What is TF? From where you are asking?
Miss, it is not in the book. Miss, I have seen in my PC just now that there is a port named TF card port.
I have to see, then only I can tell.
Okay.
Yes, Surbi.
Miss, I wanted to ask that how does the inverter batteries which are connected in our homes work?
Here I am not teaching you full physics. I'm teaching you.
No, ma'am, like that.
Okay.
Because it is
Here
also
what
a type of
happens is-
battery.
Listen. Here what happens, it is being whenever the light is there, those batteries are being charged. It completely works on the same process as you use the simple pencil battery there in your phone. Sorry, in your remotes and all. So only the thing is that is not been charged. Here it is being charged, and as soon as light goes, that charge which it has collected, it returns it back to the different devices. So that
Miss, can we try the activity given on page number 140? This one?
Why not? That's your thing. Activity is your thing. Yes, Anand.
Miss, what is the difference between DVD dash RW and DVD plus R? Miss, in page number 15 it is given.
It is read write. Read and write. Read and write means here plus R means what? You can read it Many times what happen whenever we are writing on the CDs, we can just write once and we can read it so many times. एक बार लिख सकते हैं और पढ़ सकते हैं कई बार. But in case we want to edit whatever is written, then you will find written W over there. Understood that you can make the editing also. Whatever you have written once, now you can edit also, and you can read again, again, and again. You can write again and again. Yes, Gaurav?
Miss, this time steps question will be there.
Pardon?
Miss, this time steps question will be there. Like the steps.
Definitely it will be there. In syllabus, it is given, the question paper pattern is given. Please go through it.
Okay, Miss.
Yes, Abhinav?
Miss,
Time is already up.
Miss, you have said that you will give the file of Microsoft Office. Miss, I will come on
I'm not
19th.
Nothing is clear. थोड़ा अच्छे से बोलो बेटा.
Miss, you have said that you will give the files of Microsoft Office. Miss, I will come on 19th with my pen drive when I will submit.
Okay, fine.
Okay, Miss, I have to say one more thing. Miss, the memory cards are known as TF cards.
Pardon?
Miss, one boy asked about TF card. Memory card are known as TF card.
Memory card and SDF card means what you are willing to say?
Miss, memory card SD cards are known as TF cards. Another name of
Achha, he was asking for that. So he has asked for slot, na? Actually, the person who has asked about that, there are so many different kinds of memory cards. Memory cards which are there in your phone that are a small size. Yes. And the memory cards which are used there in cameras and all that are big in size. So there is a kind of port coming for that where you can insert those cards directly. Though I think Aditya Dubey has asked for that. Yes. Now clear?
Yes, miss.
Anything else, Abhinav?
No, miss.
Yes, Sharif.
What is magic mouse?
Magic mouse. Magic mouse is basically the mouse which your people are using nowadays without wire, and you will not see any kind of light over there, and then too it will work.
Miss, full form of Unix.
Full form of Unix is not required for you right now. If you really want it, you can just search out there for Google. It is a kind of operating system. Now already time is up. There are many more questions like Gauri, Srishti. Yes, I will take your questions. Please note down with your questions. We will take your questions in the next session. Okay? Fine? Till then, bye and be safe.